the Super Bowl.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I just received in the box for my air suspension tray. This right here is the tray that holds all your components that will be in your trunk, opposed to just mounting it to the say the floor of the trunk. Yeah, so it just arrived in and I'm really excited about seeing it. I haven't installed any of the air suspension into my car yet. This is the first item I've received so far. It's off of eBay. This place right here, they actually hand make them and weld them all up. You can buy them unwelded and weld them all up yourself, or you can buy it pre-welded. I prefer to have it pre-welded. They did a good job of packing it up, eh? Let me close this down. I'll set this on top. And here we go right here. So your air management box will go here. Your pumps will go here. And you can mount your tank back here on here. You have to drill the holes to mount it on here depending on what size tank you have. And the air management one, depending on which one you're going to use, they will put a plate on there that matches that too as well. You also can have them powder coated for like an extra 50 bucks. I think I paid $240 for this without it being powder coated, so another 50 bucks to have it powder coated. I was planning on doing that, but I'm not sure what color I want to go with, so I thought I'll hold off on that. I'm not sure if I want to go with black, the color of my car, or the color of my car. I don't know yet, but this is it right here. What I like about it is that you'll have your tanks here. They'll be on that angle. You can see that angle right here. You'll have your air management controller sitting there also on an angle, and the other one as well. So from a display perspective, I believe this is pretty awesome. Now from a quality standpoint, nice heavy gauge metal. It's not flexing at all, so it's a nice thick heavy gauge. The welds on here look really good. I have no complaints about their welds. The cutting is really good as well. I like how they rounded all the corners all throughout it as well. Other little accents they made through here also helps out as well. So overall, I give this a 2 thumbs up, a 10 out of 10. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you like, hit that like button and definitely hit that subscribe button.
Man, this shit done it big as the what? Big as the what? Big as the Super Bowl.